Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to do an unboxing of the seasonal box from Erin Condren, and I am very excited about this box because I haven't bought anything since, I guess, from them since the release of the new planner. The box seemed different. I feel like the texture changed. It looks more like a nicer material, I guess, like a box that you want to keep. And then it says enjoy here, and let's open it up. And then it says start each day with a grateful heart. And then this is supposed to be like a reversible box, so you will be able to use it for other stuff, or if you want to do like a gift on Christmas, like put a shirt here and just use this, it will be nice to do that as well. And then inside of this card, I believe it says everything that's inside of here. I'm not gonna look at it, so it'll be like a surprise. And I had a seasonal box before and I wasn't that impressed, so I never bought it again. But now that I have credits thanks to you guys that purchased stuff through my link that I will leave down below, you will get $10 off of your next order, and I will receive $10 as well. So that's how I was able to order this. And let me just show you. So it's bubble wrapped here, and the first thing I see here is one of these pens. Ooh, it's a mechanical pen, so it's very pretty, and it's in this mint color, and I don't know what these buttons are for. It just says push, comfort grip, and that's it. And these are fall stickers. I guess these are stickers that they're gonna start carrying, so it's one of those poofy stickers. Very pretty. I love the coffee here. Hello fall, the pumpkin pie, very pretty. And then this is for your planner, so you can decorate with the fall theme. And then I see here a pouch of this like maroon color, kind of purplish color, very pretty. And it's just, I guess you can use it for whatever you want. Like if you want to put your makeup there or your pens and stickers, you can do that. And here's the logo like in gold. And this is the key. Not the key, what is it? The zipper pull. Wow, and inside is very pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but it is like this like a peacock feathers inside. Can you tell? Let me see if I can just show it to you. It's called the small luxury looks clutch. These are the colors of the inside. Very pretty inside. And then I have here some sticky notes. I have thank you card on this print that is the same as the clutch, the inside of the clutch. This is another thank you card. It says with grateful heart or whatever card if you just want to write something to somebody. Ooh, and this is an interchangeable cover for your planner. I wonder what color is inside. Let's see. And this is how it looks inside. Pretty nice. I was looking forward to that glass that they gave last month. I think that's why I ordered this one, but of course you're not gonna get everything the same season. And a washi tape here. This is more like a Christmas kind of color. And that's it. Let me know what you think about this. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!